Whether he's with fiddler crabs on the beaches of North Carolina, penguins on the ice of Antarctica, or moths in the caves of Venezuela, Kjell Sandved and his camera are always right at home. Sandved has spent nearly 25 years traveling the world as a nature photographer for the Smithsonian Institution. He says he actually began as a book publisher in his native Norway and turned to photography only by accident.
When I came to Smithsonian, it was specifically to buy photographs for my third encyclopedia of animal behavior. And I found soon out that there wasn't any file here, and the rector was very generous and said that you can settle down for a few months and take your own pictures. And of course that changed my whole life, you know, I've been here ever since.
Sandved doesn't take pictures just for fun. His close-up photography has enabled scientists to document some fascinating animal behavior, like the movement of a scallop, a spider capturing its prey, or sea urchins feeding on a sand dollar.
Very interestingly, the sand dollar is lifted up from the sand by the sea urchin, which sits in a 90-degree angle and gobble it up on the side.
Some of Sandved's most interesting work was done in the sub-zero temperatures of Antarctica, recording the antics of some adolescent penguins.
The Adela penguin have a definite teenage stage. They run around and want to investigate things, and one day I noticed that one little penguin came over to a sleeping Weddell seal and literally pecked him on the nose. And then the seal barked and scared the poor little penguin away. No sooner that had happened than another penguin jumped up on the stomach on a Weddell seal. On this warm, nice stomach, it wanted to settle down and sleep, but then the seal woke up and scared the penguin away by loud barks, so the penguin literally ran all the way down into the ocean.
And where will Sandved's adventures lead him next? On an expedition to document all of the moths of North America, more than 10,000 species. Here at the Smithsonian, I'm Ann Carroll.